What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in that video, and today we are looking at the Colbor CL100. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you're notified of new videos, comment, tips, tricks, and unboxing just like this one. Check out my blog on 30.ca, hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Whew! Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Basically, this is the beautiful light by Colbor, the CL100. If you have a YouTube channel, this might be the one for you. You might be able to use this there. And have this little bag with you when you are traveling around. Of course, we are creatives and we need lights everywhere we go. So there we go. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, look at this mesh backing right here. Very beautiful. It's like the foam that you get for soundproofing. Very nice. There you go. This is the actual light right there. Let's put that on the side for now. There you go. Some literature right there. Has the power adapter right here. Boom. There's also the straps right there. Power adapter, the remote. Has the little ring as well right here. Reflective ring. Very nice. There you go. Here it is. We have the Colbor CL100 right here. To turn it on, all you need to do is just hit that on and off button right there. Now from there, you can choose which options you want. Right now, we are in the brightness mode there. There you go. Or you can use the different modes there, like candle, bonfire. Would have that little flicker there. Again, you could change the modes there and the color as well. Really good. There's also the breathing. You know, if you have different videos that you want to do and you want to have that effect, you can have that as well. Let's go to the next one here, which is the faulty bulb. Again, you could change the brightness with the knob. There's also the flash. There you go. Lightning. Some really good effects there, right? And then the normal there. Now another thing that you can do is, for example, you want to change the brightness or the color. The brightness is right there. It skips up to 5s. If you want to change the color of your light, for example, you want maybe a warmer tone right there, you can manually do so by just doing that. And then you can choose whichever number you want there. Let's go to the lowest right here. Let's see the right there, 2700K. And then let's go all the way up now to the the coolest color that it can do, which is the 6500K. Now with the fan, you can change it from quiet to smart, or you can use the turbo mode right there. The fan is actually not that loud, which is really cool. And for the most part, when I was using it in my YouTube channel, you don't actually use the turbo mode ever. It stays in quiet for even if I'm editing for a few hours. You can take off this front part right here, the reflector, by just doing so. Really quick little knob up there, right? Pretty cool. This is the LED light right here, and then on the bottom here is the umbrella mount, which is a good addition there as well if you do need that. Just to put it back, all you need to do is put it on and twist. You'll be good to go. Now I wish they gave us a better reflector right here, but it does do its job, don't get me wrong. It's not the best reflector out there, but for the price, I think it's well worth it. Now, for example, you are more of a run and gun person, you can also swap the plug-in adapter right here for a battery one. You can use a V-mount battery or maybe a D-tap battery. It really depends on what adapter you want to buy for this. Normal batteries like the Moment Super 99, super handy battery right there. We'll be able to power this up. As you can see here, this is the mount right here, and you just clip this on, maybe at the bottom. There you go. You can have it hooked up to a mount like so, and then you can take the Moment right here, and then any Super 99 battery that has a V mount, and power it up. There you go. It also comes with the remote, and it's pretty basic. As you can see here, there's the brightness up and down and the CCT for right there to change the modes. There's also the on and off for the light right there. You can also turn it off right here. There's also the 60 seconds timer right there, CCT, rate, EFF, and different presets. The more yellowish color right there, and also the more bluish / white daylight color right there. Now, real life scenario, we are using a newer ring light right now, and that's always been what I've been using as a YouTuber. So every edit that I've done from the past have always been from the newer ring light only. Now we're gonna test out the difference if we are using the Colbor instead. Right now we are using the Colbor CL100 instead of the ring light. Let me know in the comments below what you think of that. Do you think the ring light is better or the Colbor? And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new light for your YouTube channel, or maybe for your creative reasons or for your needs. I would definitely recommend this for everyone who wants to revamp their lights. If you want different modes as well, the Colbor CL100 has a lot of options for the more budget-friendly price there. So that's pretty good. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.